Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to take you through a three-stranded bracelet. It's going to look similar to this. Actually, I'm going to try and duplicate this other than it's going to be white faux suede. Yeah, so that's what it's going to look like. And I'm doing white today because it's summer and I thought it would be nice to add it. I wear a lot of black and white, so I thought that might be a nice color to start with. So let's get to it. What you're first going to do, what I like to start with, is to close one end. So I'm going to set my two pieces there together and I set them in so that it looks like this. And I close it, I don't know if you can see, I close it instead of trying to use the pliers. So I close it as much as I can so that it doesn't move around. Make sure it's in there right. Then I take my pliers, give it a good squeeze. Okay, so I'm not going to do the other end yet, and I'm going to save the chain obviously for a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut a little bit off the end here, because it's in most of my beads and that I have, if they don't fit, like this one will fit, so this one will be quite easy to do, but I'm not sure if this tube will fit. Oh, actually it's gonna fit. I may not have to cut it down. If your beads don't fit, see how it gets a little tough there. So what I'm gonna do, just to make it slide through a little bit easier, is I'm going to put it on this side with that long one. So I'm just going to cut a little bit off on the strand here, just to make it fit a little bit better. Okay, so let's give that a try and see how that goes. So we just put it through, feed it through. Now you may have to play around with it. There we go. So then you can pull it down through as much as you want. Probably should have put a couple more beads on there, but that's perfect the way it is. I'm not the type for a lot of bling bling. So then I'm going to put that piece on. And then I'm just going to put some of the, maybe I'll go on this end, I'll put the ball. Maybe just add that piece and just alternate through. So again, I'm just pushing it through the whole of the bead. So these beads have a pretty good size hole. That one doesn't. So some of them you'll find will go easier than the other. So that one, obviously, the hole on that one is probably a little bit smaller. Okay. There we go. And maybe just end it with another ball. Hopefully I didn't grab the smaller one. All right. So there we go. Oh, my magnet's attached. Okay, so I'm just going to add it like that, and then these can, you know, some of they can be loose and they can just wrap around. They can do whatever they want. You can have less on there. You can have more on there. Obviously, it's up to you. So, oh, my tubing one there came off. All right. So, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to make sure that it's sitting the way that I want. So if it's going to sit this way, I want to make sure that I line my suede up. I don't want any kinks in it, so one's facing one way and one's facing the other way. But I'm still going to match them up to the right size. So I cut them the same size, but where this has a tubing on it, it's going to have that bow in it. So, or bend in it. And so what I'm going to do is just line it up here. Put this one on. Squeeze. Okay, so that's the 2 strands, so you could finish it just like that if you wanted to. But I like the chain look to it. I like the layer look as well. So what I'm gonna do is now take the jump ring, open it up, put on one side, and put the chain on one side. And you can also put your clasp on the other, and then just close it up. Okay, like so. We'll see how that works, because I'm wondering if that magnet might magnetize to the rest of it. Okay, so we have that. Now let's get the other jump ring. Find the opening. Open it up. That on. That on. That one on. Now I'm just going to change the grip I have. There we go. That's how quick and easy it is. Let me take this watch off. And that's how quick and easy it is. It's very cute. I find it nice and dainty. It can dress you up, you know, as you're going out. And that's it. There's your little bracelet. Thanks for watching.